1:16 a.m. 12 Russian warships firing on Thule beach. Marines pinned down, taking casualties. Then, 23 F-35C Lightning IIs appear over the horizon, invisible to Russian radar, flying at incredible speeds. Pilots lock targets. Weapons hot. Fox 3. 46 LRASM missiles drop. Sea-skimming, Mach speed. Closing distance. Russian destroyers detect them. Too late. Boom, boom, boom. Direct hits. All 12 warships exploding. Massive fireballs lighting the Arctic night. 7 minutes. Complete naval annihilation. Episode 5 is live now. This is Operation Icebreaker. Subscribe and binge the series.